Hello, it's Paul Brown here from Wealth21. As we approach the end of 2017, I've put together an update on the markets over the past year. Firstly, just wanted to emphasise that anything in this presentation is just of a general nature. Please seek professional advice before making any changes to your investments. Looking firstly at the Australian share market, this is the All Ordinaries Index, and it hadn't made much progress through the first 3 quarters of the year, but the final quarter actually saw strong gains. Just to give you context, this is the 15-year chart of the Australian share market, and it did fall very sharply in 2007, 2008 during the GFC. It has made positive progress since that time, though, although it is still below the highs that it reached prior to the GFC. Looking at the volatility index now, or the measure of fear in the market, and this is actually at quite a low level. In fact, there's almost a level of complacency in the markets at the moment. Turning now to Australian listed property, and this sector did actually experience a pretty significant fall in the middle of the year, but in the second half of the year, it's made gains, and it will finish the year higher than where it started. Again, over the longer term, this market did fall very sharply during the GFC. It has made positive progress since that low, but it's obviously still well below the highs that it reached prior to GFC. Looking now at the US market, this is the S&P 500, and it's just made pretty much positive progress throughout the entire year. Looking over the longer term, this market did fall during the GFC, but it's well above the GFC, pre-GFC levels now. And in fact, the last 5 or 6 years, apart from this period here where it did pull back a bit, it has made very strong gains. Looking now at the Australian dollar, it started the year at around 73, 73.5. It did get as above 80 cents during the year, but it'll finish the year against the US at around 77, 77.5. So there we have, that's the markets for 2017. Our office will be closed until the 8th of January, but you're very welcome to send me an email or call when we get back after the 8th of January. Happy New Year, and we look forward to seeing you in 2018.